Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover. From any screen, just click on nav, and there you've got nav menu, destination entry. So we want destination entry, so click there, and you've got postcode. That's the quickest, or address. So postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and that is PR5. I don't think we need a space here. Sometimes in some you need a space, but that's automatically put a space in if you've only got 2 digits. So PR5 4JS. That's it. We click OK, and then we have to click go, even though we've clicked OK.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Now, to knock, once you get near your destination, you don't want it to keep telling you. So if you go back into nav menu there, and then you've got route voice guidance, and just knock that off. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover. From any screen, if we go onto telephone there, you'll see there's nothing connected, so it's come up to this screen. There's 2 phones in the memory, and I want to delete Barry's iPhone there, so just click delete Barry's iPhone 11, yes, and it's gone. It's a really simple system to use, this. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we keep an eye out on the bottom here. But then to phone on the settings, it's showing there a phone that's connected, but we want to search for new. Search for new. I usually go for vehicle to device, as it normally generates a random PIN code and you just have to agree with it rather than putting your own in. So it's looking for a phone there. I often confuse these cars because I've just deleted this phone and now I'm pairing it again. I am using this car at the moment, so there you go. It's pulled up Barry's iPhone 11, so tick that. To pair and connect phone, enter 0345. So 0345 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I will be using this car, so I'll allow that. Showing Range Rover Sport connected there. Another great thing with this system, it is the audio, the sat nav, the phone, all easy to use, all very, very good quality. So if we go to iTunes here, you'll see there at the bottom Range Rover Sport. If I just touch on that, it's a red triangle and 3 red circles, but you see there Range Rover Sport, and there's a tick next to it. So whatever I play through my phone is going to play through the system if I've got it on the right channel. So I'll turn this down so it doesn't startle us, press play, and then over here what I need to do is go to audio video. Now this is showing already, it's the tune is playing on here, but if it's not, you see My Music, 3rd one down on the left, and there's a plus at the right hand side. You click on the plus, and then that gives you the choice of DVD, iPad, or anything. So again, I'll just show that again. So onto audio video, My Music, plus, and then we select my iPhone there. So whatever, I'll turn this up. And the reason I've turned it down on here is that I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike, or YouTube would cut the soundtrack off this for copyright issues. So if I now turn this up on my phone quickly, there you go. That's any music, and you can use it for Spotify, anything that's playing. If I'm watching a YouTube video or something, not while I'm driving obviously, but if it's on my phone, then the soundtrack comes through the speakers as well. So it is a really, really good system. I can't fault Range Rovers. Everything about them is fantastic. Thanks for watching.